Hi, good morning. This is Captain Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. We're on board a 2018 21-foot Grady-White Fisherman. This is a new model this year. A beautiful boat, great boat for a starter boat or a small family. Up forward, you have plenty of seating, comfortable cushions. You have about 80 quarts of cold storage, insulated storage here on both sides. They both drain directly overboard, and you have another cooler here with 28 quarts of storage that drains directly overboard as well. Moving aft, you can see this year they've placed a new swim platform on the boat. Basically, you're taking a 21-foot boat and you're making it a 23-foot boat. You have access on both port and starboard sides to get through, to get in the water and have a great day on the water. Also, the backrests fold back so your companions can sit comfortably. We have a 25-gallon live well, insulated live well, so if you weren't using it for fishing, you could use it for drinks or food. It's insulated. It's powered by a 200 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke engine. It's a great engine. It pushes the boat at a cruising speed, about 27 miles an hour, and about 43 miles an hour on the top end. If you have any questions or you want any more information, feel free to contact me anytime at 305-389-4946.